This is my rant about FORD BGC. So we recently took the car to FORD BGC Casa because the door locks weren't working and there's a recall on it. But our front window isn't working that properly, but the other windows are. So they noted that in FORD BGC. They said all the windows are not working. So we came back with the door locks fixed, but the power windows not fixed. So I wonder why. But I remember there's a guy there. I OJT at FORD BGC, by the way. There's a guy there. I'm gonna name him a Skeleton King. He's a known scammer and all around asshole, you know. And this is what I did with that. Oh my goodness! It's just a thing that's left unplugged. You see, Skeleton King. I know you're desperate for money, but don't rip people off, you know? Casa. E-scam, you know, e-scam. I really want to name him, but, you know, feel bad for him. He's already ugly, you know? So let's fix it. How can I fix this? Am I gonna spend 5,000 pesos again for Ford to fix it? That's what they want me to do. Actually, wait lang. I'ma use two hands. Okay. Kinabit ko na. And oh my goodness, man. Oh my goodness. It's just a fucking wire. I'm sorry, I can't post this on YouTube. I'm gonna beep that. It's just a freaking wire that's left unplugged. This is broken talaga. Look at that. Scam, FORD BGC. Sir Skeleton King. So you guys saw what the problem is and you're wondering, oh, does he have any proof? He's not just accusing BGC. Maybe he didn't really go there, you know. FORD BGC people, as you can see here. Papeles, you know. Alvin, whatever his name, the SA, I don't know if he's part of this. Maybe it's the Skeleton King, I don't know. There you go. Naglalak, okay na, hindi naglalak at bintana, hindi lahat gumagana. It's not working though. And here's the legal report card. So, yan. I think may prueba naman ako. June 11, 2020. FORD Global City. Scammer mga employees nyo kung sino man sila. Scammer. They really need money, don't they? Classic Casa.